Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable quesadilla, updated. Start by prepping all vegetables and grating cheese so everything is ready before you heat the skillet. Keep your pan at medium heat, sauté vegetables until tender, then layer cheese and veggies on a tortilla. Cook until golden and cheese melts, flip carefully, slice into wedges, and enjoy a quick, satisfying meal that's easy to customize for any appetite. Pick colorful vegetables like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and spinach for a great flavor mix and texture. Dry ingredients like zucchini or tomatoes well so your quesadilla doesn't become soggy during cooking. Use a cheese that melts reliably, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack, and layer it on both sides of the veggies to glue the tortilla. Cook slowly until golden and the cheese is fully melted for a perfect result. Heat your skillet before adding oil so the tortilla crisps instead of soaking. Add a small amount of oil and cook over medium heat, pressing gently with a spatula to help the cheese melt and seal the edges. Flip only once if possible to maintain structure and browning. Let the cooked quesadilla rest for a minute before slicing to keep the melted cheese inside and make serving neat and enjoyable for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.